Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda for the new people tuning in. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows. I already primed my lids. I already did one eye off camera. For eyebrows, everything is still the same. And for the eyeshadows that we'll be using today, it'll be the Morphe 35H palette. I did the blue eye look with this one too, but this time we're gonna go into this half and it's really easy. It's not that complicated. So the first shade I'll be using is Caffeine Buzz, and I'll be using that one as my transition shade, and I'll just be grabbing the JH30 brush and adding that to my crease. So now we're gonna go in with the shade Spotted, this shade right here. And for that, I'm gonna grab the MAC 224 blending brush, and we're just gonna add it to the crease. And then I'm gonna go in with, this is like a pencil brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Heat Up, this shade right here. And then I'm gonna go back in with the 224 brush, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Spotted again. It's the same color we used here, and then kind of mesh the colors together. So now we're gonna move on to the rest of our face. We're gonna leave our eyes like that for now. So today I'll be using the Juvia's Place Velvet Matte Foundation. I got the other one to make this one a little bit darker. So for primer, we're gonna be going in with the YSL Touchy Clot primer. And I'm just gonna take about 2 pumps. Okay, so the shades I have is 530 Ibiza, and then I have 450 Casablanca. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix them together. So I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I'm gonna be using the Becca Aqualuminous Perfecting Concealer in the color Beige. And then to set my under eyes, I'm gonna use some of the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. And then I'm gonna take the same powder to set my face, and I'm just gonna set it with the beauty sponge. My thoughts It is really full coverage. A little goes a long way. I like this foundation. So now we're gonna move to the lower lash line. So I'm just gonna be grabbing the JH38 brush, and I'm gonna be going in with Caffeine Buzz, the first shade that we used. And then I'm gonna grab the JH43 brush, and I'll be going in with the shade Spotted, and I'll be adding that closer to the lash line. We're gonna move to the rest of our face. So for bronzer, we're gonna go in with the Terracotta bronzer, this one right here. I'm gonna go back in with the Hourglass to kind of cut it, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the Morphe sponge, and now we're gonna remove this bake off. And then for blush, I'm gonna use the Amazonian Clay in the shade Party. This is a Tarte blush, this shade right here. And now I'm just gonna buff out that powder that I put. And now I'm just gonna set my face with the Evian facial mist. For highlight, I'm gonna go in with Gilded Honey. This is a Laura Geller highlighter, and it's broken because my son broke it. And I'm just gonna take a packing brush. So for eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with the Tom Ford Eye Defining Pen. So then I'm just gonna grab a nude eye pencil and add that to the waterline. Okay guys, so while I was off camera, I did my lips. I used my main from Dose of Color from the Desi and Katie collection. I put on my lashes. I put on the Kiss lashes in Teddy. I used the duo adhesive in clear. And then for my bottom lash mascara, I used Urban Decay Perversion and the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And so yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and share the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye.